Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. In today's lesson, we will study the difference between then and than. First, let's talk about the meanings of each of these words. The word than is used in comparisons. For example, America is bigger than Japan. Mike is more handsome than Randy. Randy's cookies are more delicious than Mike's. The word then has a few different meanings and a few different uses. The most basic use is as a sequence adverb. Now, what does that mean? Well, sequence adverbs like first, then, next, after that, finally. These are words that tell us the order of something. For example, Randy, how do I use the washing machine? First, open the lid. Then, put the clothes in. Finally, hit the start button. So in this situation, then means after that or soon afterwards. Let's look at another example. I finished work at 8. Then I went home and ate dinner. Let me finish this work and then we'll go. Another meaning of then is at that specific time or at that time. For example, I met your mother 10 years ago. I was living in Tokyo then. Here, then means 10 years ago. I met your mother 10 years ago. I was living in Tokyo at that time. Another meaning is in addition to or additionally. For example, my job now is much better than my job before. I get a very good salary. And then there's the health and dental insurance as well. Another meaning is in that case, or therefore. For example, if you study hard for your test, then there's nothing to worry about. Have a rest now, and then you won't be so tired tonight. Let's do some quick review. The word than is used to make comparisons. The word then has many different meanings, but the most basic meaning is after that, or next. Now we will do some practice. Let's see how well you listened to today's lesson. I will show you a sentence with a missing word. Choose one of the answer choices to finish the sentence. The train leaves at 3 minutes to 8. So we'd better get there a few minutes before blank. The correct answer is then. Here, then means that time, or in this situation, 3 minutes to 8. I think it's more fun playing baseball, blank, watching it. The correct answer is than. We are comparing playing baseball to watching baseball. With comparisons, we use than. Jason has many more friends, blank, Randy. The correct answer is than. Here we are comparing Jason and Randy, so we use than. Follow the road for 2 kilometers. Blank, turn left. The correct answer is then. Here we are giving instructions. So this then means next or after that. Okay, today's homework is very easy. In the comments section, write 2 sentences. One sentence using the word than, and one sentence using the word then. For example, Living in Hiroshima is easier than Tokyo. I went to the supermarket, but I forgot to buy my wife's ice cream. When I told her that I didn't have her ice cream, she punched me. Then she kicked me. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section below. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.